Okay, here we are in the Motioney desktop software, available both for PC or Mac. We'll go ahead and create new animation. Now, we'll name it and select the picture we want to upload. Now, in this simple and easy-to-use dashboard, you've got a bunch of cool options to customize and animate your picture. We can add text, crop picture, hand tools, and much more. Okay, let's start by animating this picture. Here's what you do. You click on the Add Animation Points. Click the areas you want to animate and drag it up. And finally, mask the area you don't want to be animated. That's it. Now, let's hit play. We can even change the speed and style of the animation by clicking on the Animation Properties tab. And you're done. Check this out. Now you can export it right to your computer by clicking the Export button, from the resolution to the size. You can export your animation in multiple versions of file types: MP4, MOV, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and even FLV format. Last but not least, you set the number of times you want the animation to loop, and voila! Export it right onto your computer. And just like that, we have animated a random picture in just seconds. Let me ask you two quick questions. Are you not happy with sales you get from either video ads or engagement posts? Are you not happy with results you get from social posting automation apps, which supposedly should bring you buyers? If the answer to any of those questions is yes, you are not alone. Neither was I. And that is why the team and I reinvented video ads and video post creation with an app capable of making brain-awakening videos from a single picture. I'm talking about a picture you can take with your phone, your camera, or the one you've already got on your computer, like this photo, and making it like this. Hey, it's Andrew here. And over the past 13 months, the team and I have been creating a powerful yet extremely easy to use push-button desktop software that allows you to make brain-teasing video ads and video engagement posts from a single picture. Yeah, you heard that right. Take any picture, regardless of if you took it with your phone or downloaded it off the internet, and turn it into a live picture like this. And the best part? It's done in 3 easy steps using this brand new powerful desktop software called Motioney. Motioney was created from the ground up to give you the power of video without the hard work or time required, allowing you to engage your audience, get more leads, and sales. With video ads and posts made with Motioney, you can get instant traffic and sales. It is the world's first all-in-one live picture ads and engagement post creation app that can make profitable video ads for all available ad spot types and video posts on all 9 major social media platforms and all messaging apps. Motioney can make converting video ads and posts for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Tumblr. While social media have become the most powerful way for businesses and marketers to sell and engage with their target audiences online, in order to be successful, your post has to make your audience go wow instantly. According to Facebook official post, people spend on average 1.7 seconds with a piece of content on mobile and 2.5 seconds on desktop. So let's face it, in this fast-paced environment, without scroll-stopping content, your ads and posts are almost invisible. This could be the main reason why you're not happy with the results you get from social posting automation software. Non-appealing ads and post content are also one of the main factors why the majority of marketers lose money on Facebook ads and fail to generate viral traffic. While scrolling through their newsfeed, people barely glimpse over traditional images that use photos and have a hard time to commit to watch a long-form video content. This is why, to solve that problem, big brands like Apple, Netflix, Canon, Mercedes-Benz, Dior, plus countless startups, small businesses, and marketers started using the same type of live pictures which you can make in Motioney in seconds. Because the motion part contrasts with the stillness of the rest of the image, they instantly catch attention. Live pictures are almost impossible to ignore, easy to digest, fun to share, and they get results. This is why social media are exploding with live pictures that go viral. It is a massive opportunity which is growing at a staggering rate, and you can immediately tap into it. Big brands and celebrities are already exploiting the power of live pictures to reach and engage with 3 billion users of social networks. According to Forsmarsh group tests, it only takes 1/4 of a second of exposure for people to recall mobile live picture feed content at a statistically significant rate. Facebook Live Picture Ads case study based on Toronto station Startup showed 117% increase in click-through rate, 41% decrease in cost per click, and 4 points increase in relevance score after they started using live pictures. Scroll-stopping content is even more important for free viral traffic because it skyrockets social shares by both making people pay attention and giving them amazing content to share. So, if you want your content to be shared and go viral, there is no better way than to start using live pictures right now. Unfortunately, without the right tool, a live picture is difficult to create and it could take days to make just one. It requires both technical and graphic design experience. Or, if you outsource, it could cost you a lot of money for a single live picture. This is why we are extremely excited to tell you now there is a brand new, revolutionary Motioney software, which makes live pictures creation super easy and fast. Here's how easy Motioney is to use. 3 simple steps. Ready? Simply select the picture, select the areas you want to animate, and mask the area you don't want to be animated. Export. That's it. It's really that simple. It requires no experience, it can be done using any picture, and all you have to do is click your mouse. From vertical to square to regular HD, you can take any picture, regardless of how it was shot, the size, or the quality, and bring it to life in just seconds. Motioney combines the idea of power of video with simplicity of pictures for you to use for your social media video ads and posts. Plus, you can use them also on web pages, inside emails, or anywhere you can post a simple video or GIF. Okay, instead of taking my word for it, let's jump into a quick demo and I'll show you how simple this really is. Okay, here we are in the Motioney desktop software, available both for PC or Mac. We'll go ahead and create new animation. Now, we'll name it and select the picture we want to upload. Now, in this simple and easy to use dashboard, you've got a bunch of cool options to customize and animate your picture. We can add text, crop picture, hand tools, and much more. Okay, let's start by animating this picture. Here's what you do. You click on the Add Animation Points. Click the areas you want to animate and drag it up. And finally, mask the area you don't want to be animated. That's it. Now, let's hit play. We can even change the speed and style of the animation by clicking on the Animation Properties tab. And you're done. Check this out. Now you can export it right to your computer by clicking the Export button. From the resolution to the size. You can export your animation in multiple versions of file types: MP4, MOV, JPEG, PNG, GIF, and even FLV format. Last but not least, you set the number of times you want the animation to loop, and voila! Export it right onto your computer. And just like that, we have animated a random picture in just seconds. As you can see, Motioney is an easy-to-use yet powerful desktop app for anyone. Motioney software has been created by professional developers under the supervision of professional marketers, and the result is absolutely incredible. You get fascinating, eye-catching, viral live pictures, which your visitors love, and which are perfect for both call to action or establishing your brand. All that means that your video ads and posts look amazing, attract clicks, and are liked, shared, pinned, and tweeted to increase your exposure. You can also use live pictures on your website, blog, e-commerce store, or inside an email. We are the established market leader of do-it-yourself rapid marketing content production. Tens of thousands of creators, marketers, entrepreneurs, and businesses are already using our software, with more joining every day. Motioney software will change the way live pictures are created, and you can get your hand on the software at a very special discounted price today. Save time and money making high-converting live pictures in minutes using the effortless and most advanced real-time live pictures creator, Motioney. This is your opportunity to get in on the action like big brands and celebrities. Get more clicks, visitors, leads, and ultimately more sales with Motioney. Today, I'm excited to be releasing Motioney to the world. You can start producing animated pictures in 3 simple steps, with no restrictions on number of videos and GIFs that you can create. No experience necessary. And with the included commercial license, you can even sell these live pictures or use them for your clients for top dollar online and offline. You can even charge $1,200 per month for social media content creation services on Fiverr, or sell those services to your local clients. All the details are below. Simply click on the Get Motioney button and get your copy of the newest desktop software that will help you bring your picture to life in a matter of seconds. Download your copy of Motioney today, and I'll see you on the other side. Oh, and of course, you're fully protected by our no questions asked promise. We're so extremely confident you'll love Motioney that we'll let you take it for a full test drive. And if you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be happy to give you every penny back. But we already know you're going to absolutely love Motioney. So go ahead. The button is right below this video. Grab your copy today. We really look forward to seeing the videos that you can create, helping you capture, engage, and get more leads and make more sales. Luckily for you, Motioney is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. Grab your access to Motioney today. We'll see you on the other side.